Let's solve this question now.
Question 8. Which statement about electrical conductivity is correct? A. Covalent compounds, such as glucose, conduct when molten or dissolved in water. Incorrect. Covalent compounds have no free electrons or ions to conduct electricity. B. Dilute acids, such as sulfuric acid, conduct because all the ions are free to move. Correct. Dilute acids dissociate into ions, allowing for the conduction of electricity. C. Ionic compounds, such as sodium chloride, conduct due to the movement of electrons. Incorrect. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in solution due to the presence of free ions, not electrons. D. Metals such as copper, conduct due to the movement of positive ions. Incorrect. Metals conduct electricity due to the presence of free electrons.
If you find this question difficult, you need to revise the relevant topics from cambridgeclassroom.com.